thank you to those people who donated money for our tutorials. Hopefully we'll soon be able to buy a new camera and microphone and make a better quality videos for you.
Yeah. Thank you for this financial aid, and those who want to make donation, there is a link in the description. Yeah, another thank you goes to our students, and greetings.
If you're watching.
Yeah, we have students. We conduct private Georgian language lessons, and if you would like to join us, you can simply contact us on Facebook.
Yeah. And for today's video, we chose a topic that was long requested. Many of you wanted to know how to write and pronounce Georgian letters. And for today's video, we have that topic.
Yeah, today we have special lesson. It's about Georgian alphabet and how to write and how to pronounce. So, and before we start, we want to say
few facts.
Yeah, few facts about Georgian alphabet. It has 33 letters. Yeah. From which 5 is vowels.
Yeah. And 28 consonants.
28 is consonants.
Yes.
Yeah.
Okay. And also, fun fact is that unlike Latin alphabet, Georgian alphabet, we don't use big and small letters. We don't write that way, and also some letters we write above the line, some is written under the line, and we will show you how to do it. And you could just take a piece of paper and a pen and try to write and pronounce it with us. Yeah,
just repeat with us, both handwriting and pronunciation too.
Don't be lazy.
Okay, here it is.
A. A. B. B. G. G. D. D. E. E. V. V. Z. Z. T. T. I. I. G. G. L. L. M. M. N. N. O. O. P. P. J. J. R. R. S. S. T. T. U. U. P. P. K. K. R. 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 Sh. Sh. Ch. Ch. C. C. Z. 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 Ch. Ch. H. H. J. J. H.
Thank you for watching us. Thank you for watching this tutorial, and stay tuned. Be with us.
Bye.
Bye bye.